How to set the default alert sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down and tap on Default Alerts. Now in here, scroll down, and in the list, choose a default alert sound that you would like to use. So I have selected a note alert, then tap on the back key. Now in here, you can also go to the top and set a default alert haptics pattern as well. So you can do that. In here, you can select a vibration. If you want to turn it off, you can select none. Otherwise, you can choose one of the patterns in here. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.